Okay, so all of you students, today we discuss the new topic. Actually, that name is transport layer. Okay, so under that, the transport layer, uh, the number of actually, sorry, okay, the number of actually the difference services are there. Okay, so right now we've seen that the services what are there, then in between the different topics are there, we discuss one by one. Right now we have actually the syllabus book. Okay, so that is what the first topic is, nothing as your network layer services, then the connection oriented and connection less regarding the protocols, and then everything. So we discuss one by one what are there actually. Okay, so we come to the, that is the syllabus. So according to we discuss, so we have made some the presentations. So we come to the presentation right now, and the first topic, which is nothing as your what, that is the network layer services what we are using on there. So basically what the different services here, the end to end, the addressing, the reliable delivery, flow control, multiplexing. So we start actually here from the multiplexing, then we'll get the some idea from them actually what the transport service or transport layer they do on there. And before the transport layer, whatever the data we have, okay, we convert into in a transport layer, in that, in which way manner. Okay, so after that we discuss what is the end to end, then addressing and reliable, and then all. Okay, so before that we going to the explanations. We know very well that in transport layer is where, so according to that diagram, okay, here we know that what this is a transport layer, this one transport layer. Okay, so this transport layer which is come from where, on the session layer. So that the session layer, uh, the the data. Okay, so I draw the some diagram here first, then we'll get the good idea from them. Okay, so what is in OSI, we know very well this is the session layer, and suppose this is the transport layer. Okay, so this one session layer and this one is a transport layer. So data from them, here we come. Okay, so data as nothing as from the first three layer, that is the application, then presentation, and then the session. That is the format of that. The data is what, the data only, मतलब कि जो डेटा एप्लीकेशन लेयर और प्रेजेंटेशन लेयर और सेशन लेयर में रहेगा, उस डेटा का फॉर्मेट का रहेगा, डेटा एज इट इज़ रहेगा. ओके, जब वो डेटा, दैट इज वी कम टू हियर इन ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर, that we call as the segments. What? The segments. That is already we discussed in OSI reference model. So how they convert the data into that segments. Segments is nothing as what, it's a group of data. Okay, or the data which is converted into the small parts, and that small parts is nothing as what, a segments. जैसे कि right now suppose I have the one data, that is AC Patil College of engineering, ऐसा मैंने लिखा. Okay, so it means what, that is a whole thing, there is a whole text we have right now. Okay, so that we call also the data. So that data which is what, into convert into the small parts. Okay, why? Oh, in that what manner, suppose here A is a separate, okay, C is a separate, Patil is a separate. Okay, what we do, that we convert into that data into small parts, and that small parts we are called as what, a segments. That is the first segment, that is the second segments, that is the third segments, in that way. Okay, so that number we are given 1, 2, and then 3. In that way we are converted the data into that a segments. So the number of students, they having a confused, sir, the data which is we are converting to the segments. Yes, it's right, but how we convert the data into that the multiple, or how we divided the data into the multiple parts. So that time we are using here what, multiplex and demultiplex in between the both the layers. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, यहाँ पे दोनों लेयर के बीच में मल्टीप्लेक्स और डीमल्टीप्लेक्स होता है. ओके, मल्टीप्लेक्स, सॉरी, what is the demultiplex and multiplex? That one to many or many to one. So that data which is come from them here, a single. Okay, so this one here, that is a demultiplex, and we convert into that what, multiplex. Matlab we convert the data into that the divided into the different format, and that format we call as what, a segments here. And that every segments we are giving the sequence number 1, 2 and then 3 in that way. Okay, so this is only about what, that the sites right now here. Okay, what we only the source site. What happened, it's a source site, just we seen that the diagram here. Okay, so this one is what, a source site. That is, suppose I draw here. Right now I don't have the marker in that paint. Okay, so okay, here the option edit and create. Okay, edit, okay, so forget it this. Okay, so what we do, we know that what, that is the data right now here. Okay, here the session, it is only what, see the mouse. Okay, here whole things. Okay, which is what, on the sender side. Exactly same on what we have to convert into the receiver side. That mouse is here, that is the receiver side. So suppose okay, here. Okay, and what we do, I upload this image, exit, and this one. Okay, what happened, that the diagram that shows that what, the sender side we convert into one to many, but exactly in opposite receiver side what happened, that the connections is a reverse, or the layers are the reverse here. Okay, so what happened, the data, that the segments are there here. What, the segments here, that the segments on the transport layer right now here, this one on the what, the receiver side. Okay, so they collect here in order here, first, second and the third. The what are the letters are there, A, C, and then the what, the Patil here, in that way. So what, the AC Patil right now, which is we are convert into where, in a that a session layer here. I'm talking about the reverse receiver side. Okay, so data right now what, the segments into the data format. So right now we have what, the AC Patil, whole the statement, whole the word data we got on there. Okay, so that happen on there. So the one of the feature according to presentation here, that is a multiplexing on there. So this is the first service. It means what, the large data we are divided into the small parts, and that the small parts we are called as a segments, and the segments we are provide the sequence number on there. Okay, so this is about the multiplexing. Then we come to the end-to-end delivery. Right now here the addressing is part is we discuss later. Okay, then we come to here the end of end-to-end delivery. It means what, chalo we go to again the diagram here, and we clear this one. And suppose here that is the sending device and the receiving device. Okay, so in the sending device we run the one any application. Suppose here the application I run is Facebook, suppose. Okay, this one is Facebook, and the one of the friend again they seated on the another device, the receiver side we call as that also the Facebook. Okay, so that the Facebook, and here the Facebook, two different applications. So what, the end, that the first source side and the receiver of the end here, it means what, that application and that application which is run on here. So that is we call as a end to end. This one what, एंड टू एंड डिलीवरी वी हैव टू रीचेज ऑन देयर, मतलब कि मैं यहाँ से सोर्स साइड से कोई एप्लीकेशन रन कर रहा हूँ, वही एग्जैक्टली रिसीवर साइड के एप्लीकेशन पे मैं डेटा दे रहा हूँ। तो वो किस लेयर के थ्रू देता हूँ, इस ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर के थ्रू देता हूँ। तो कैसे देता हूँ, तो मैं कैसे देता हूँ, दैट इज अ पॉइंट। ओके, so that end to end delivery we have to provide, multiplexing you have to provide, that is the services are we call as. Okay, and then after we discuss about the next is what, addressing. This one is addressing. Okay, so in transport layer basically we are run the addressing is nothing as the port number. Okay, what, the port number, it means what, your Facebook. Okay, the Facebook is where hosted in the server side. Okay, in application server or the web application server or the Apache Tomcat, okay, or Glassfish, the number of web servers are there, and that the web server, the port number is defined. Okay, 8080 in that way, or 8080. Okay, so in that way what, we know that the port number, what, we know that the port number. So here फ्रॉम द सोर्स साइड, यहाँ पे मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, सोर्स साइड से अगर मैं एक्सेस कर रहा हूँ facebook.com सर्वर को यहाँ पे, ओके, तो मेरे पास क्या है, मेरा खुद का जो मशीन पे मैं जो बैठा हूँ उसका पोर्ट नंबर कुछ भी हो सकता है, सपोज एनीथिंग, सपोज 7000, ओके, ये वाला मेरा पोर्ट नंबर है। यहाँ से मैंने रिक्वेस्ट दिया था ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर पे, मेरा एप्लीकेशन 70 यहाँ पे से मैं पोर्ट का यूज़ करके इस एप्लीकेशन को फेस कर रहा हूँ, फिर वो यहाँ पे आएगा नेटवर्क पे, फिर डेटा लिंक पे, फिर फिजिकल पे, ऐसे करते करते यहाँ पे कोई राउटर होगा, यहाँ पे भी कोई राउटर होगा, तो यहाँ पे रिवर्स वो फिजिकल लेयर में आएगा। ओके, यहाँ पे स्विच होगा कहीं तो इस नेटवर्क में, तो स्विच से एक पीसी कनेक्टेड होगा, उस पीसी को फिजिकल लेयर, फिर डेटा लिंक लेयर, नेटवर्क लेयर, ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर, तो इस वाले ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर पे आएगा। ओके, कौन से वाले ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर पे, जहाँ पे फेसबुक का वेब सर्वर, फेसबुक जहाँ पे इस वेब सर्वर पे अटैच है। क्यों, क्योंकि मैंने 8080 डाला था। ओके, मैंने उसे एक्सेस करना था http://facebook.com एंड बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट दैट द एड्रेस विच इज़ ऑन देयर। ओके, तो वहाँ पे बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट वो एड्रेस है वहाँ पे। तो ऐसे करते करते उस ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर पे आ गया, और ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर पे आने के बाद, ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर पे आने के बाद वहाँ पे क्या हो गया कि वो जो पोर्ट नंबर था यहाँ पे, ओके, यहाँ पे थोड़ा पेन का प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है मुझे, तो 8080 उसको मिल गया। ओके, मतलब ये वाले फेसबुक के जो एप्लीकेशन था यहाँ पे, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक उस पोर्ट नंबर का यूज़ कर लिया उसने। अभी तक आईपी का यूज़ नहीं किया, बट उसने क्या किया, एंड टू एंड, मतलब इसका पोर्ट और जहाँ पे फेसबुक आपका है वहाँ का पोर्ट, मतलब पोर्ट के थ्रू मैंने कनेक्शंस बना लिया। ओके, तो दैट इज़ व्हाट वी आर ऑल दिस इन अ ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर। यहाँ पे ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर पे चलता है सब कुछ। ओके, तो यहाँ पे मेरा ये एड्रेसिंग चलेगा। ओके, एड्रेसिंग किसका चलेगा, पोर्ट नंबर्स का चलेगा यहाँ पे। और कोई एक बेस्ट एग्जांपल हो सकता है इसका, सपोज आई वांट टू एक्सेस गूगल। ओके, तो गूगल इनसाइड द नंबर ऑफ we called as what, the products are there, the services are there. Suppose I type here google.com. okay, and that is the symbol, we seen that यहाँ पे एक symbol दिख रहा है डॉट डॉट वाला, ये वाला symbol, this one. So inside the symbol, okay, we know very well what the different services are there. Okay, so I type what, google.com here, and what will get the different services, but the different services they are using the different port number. Okay, Gmail के लिए 23 25 कुछ भी हो सकता है, ड्राइव के लिए अलग होगा, this is the file sharing, so 21 22. Okay, so what, the different product service having the different port number. So मैंने google.com डाल दिया, बट अगर मुझे ड्राइव का लेना है तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पे पोर्ट नंबर यहाँ पे चेंज करना पड़ेगा, जैसे कि 21 है, ओके, FTP है, ओके। तो गूगल के बीच में जो FTP सर्विस देता होगा, तो बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट वो क्या करेगा, वो पोर्ट नंबर की सर्विस वहाँ पे यूज़ करेगा और उसको आपको एक्सेस देगा, ओके। तो दैट इज़ द थिंग दे आर यूजिंग एड्रेसिंग ऑन दी transport layer, okay. Then nothing as what a reliable delivery. So reliable delivery, nothing as what we reaches the data from source to destination in the transport layer, both the transport layer, it means what, both the transport layer, it means here that source transport layer and the destination transport layer. तो यहाँ के इसके बीच में reliable delivery कैसे होती है, जैसे error control. So we know that we have to find or we have to make the error free mechanism, okay. जैसे हमने देखा था कि डेटा लिंक लेयर में, ओके, यहाँ पे अगर मैं सिलेबस देखूँ यहाँ पे, तो एरर फ्री जो भी डेटा है वही हम पास करेंगे यहाँ पे, जैसे कि एरर करेक्शन और डिटेक्शन का यूज़ करके, ओके। तो ये वाला मैं पहले ख्याल रखूँगा ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर पे। देन सेकंड नंबर था सीक्वेंस नंबर, you know the sequence number already I told, okay. Then loss, okay. So we know that the loss control we can find out. It means what, जिस ऑर्डर से मैंने सीक्वेंस बनाया था उसी ऑर्डर से वो रिसीवर साइड पे, मतलब यहाँ पे ये वाले रिसीवर साइड पे वो उसी सीक्वेंस नंबर से अगर लेगा, ओके, तो डेटा आपको समझ में आएगा कि कौन सा डेटा मेरे पास आया है, सीक्वेंस नंबर कौन सा आया है, कौन सा नहीं आया। तो उससे क्या होगा, मेरा लॉस जो भी है वो मुझे डिटेक्ट होगा और मैं उसकी तरह से सेंडर को बोलूँगा, यहाँ से इस सेंडर को बोलूँगा कि भाई ये सीक्वेंस नंबर का डेटा मुझे मिला नहीं, फिर से रीसेंड कर, ओके। तो दैट इज़ अ कंट्रोल वी कैन टेक ऑन देयर. Then the nothing as what, the duplicate. So I know that what the duplicate data we have to find in a transport layer using a sequence number. Sequence number से मुझे मालूम पड़ेगा कि ये जो पैकेट या ये जो डेटा आया मेरा सेगमेंट्स आया है वो डुप्लीकेट सेगमेंट्स आया है, ओके। तो ये मुझे मालूम पड़ेगा, ये रिलायबल डिलीवरी यहाँ पे हो सकती है, ओके। देन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज़ अ फ्लो कंट्रोल. The flow control is, you know very well, if the sender they send the data continuously receiver side, okay. मतलब यहाँ पे सेंडर क्या कर रहा है, कंटिन्यूसली डेटा यहाँ पे इस सेंडर रिसीवर को दे रहा है यहाँ पे, ओके। तो रिसीवर पे जब देगा इसका जो बफर होगा रिसीवर का, ओके, वो लिमिटेड होगा. सपोज 4K का होगा, सपोज यहाँ पे 4K है, ओके. तो 4K का साइज अगर फुल हो गया इसका, तो दैट द रिसीवर सेंड टू मैसेज टू द सोर्स साइड and they told yes my buffer is full right now, so whatever the speed you do right now the slow, okay. So we have to maintain what, the flow between the source and destinations. So that is the thing we have to control on the transport layer, or that the services we are providing the transport layer services. So that is nothing as what, the flow control. The flow control, that definition is what, different way also we call, okay. So continuously the sender can send the packet here, okay, and the once the buffer is full, the senders sorry receiver, what they do, they discard the packets, some packets, okay, because the 4K is already full and they're sending the packet. So during that time what the sender can discard the some packets and told to senders, yes I discard the some packets, after the some time you send the some packets, okay. So in that way also we can maintain the flow control. So that different way also we can flow control on there. So that is the thing we have right now here about the services. So that is enough for that the network layer service. We discuss later on the connection oriented, connectionless protocol, okay. So thank you so much.